All right, let's get into the market minute, you guys. I mentioned escalation clauses. If you don't know what that is, think of back in the day when you went on eBay and you used to bid on those basketball shoes from the celebrity that you liked. You generally put in your bid, like your highest bid, and then it would slowly creep up. Like if it was, I'd pay $110 here, and the current price was 80, it only puts you like $1 over. So you'd be 81, and then another one comes in and you go 87 until you got to your reserve max. An escalation clause is the version of that in real estate. Okay. So our situation that happened that I wanted to share you guys is we had a client that was interested in this new listing that hit the market. Awesome place, was the right fit, went out, showed, got inside. Hey, let's offer on this, Kyle. This was day one on market. So, hey, we're sitting here in March and the market's picking up, all right? With these listings that are popping up. Generally, new listings are going to drive some of that buyer demand when the right properties are hitting. So we went through the offer. The next morning, they were going to review it. Another showing happened. Another offer came in. Classic multiple offer situation. One of the tools that we came back with was an escalation clause. We said we were willing to pay up to $271,000. Current price was $265,000. $500 over any existing offer up to that amount. You guys, I want to tell you about that type of thing that's happening in the market, because if you don't have those tactics in your tool belt, you could be missing out on the property that you want to go for. And so we use contractual tools like escalation clauses to be able to put forth our best effort on a house that's right for us. Now, quick question that comes up on escalation clauses. Isn't that kind of showing my cards to the seller? Yes, it is. You're showing the seller that you're willing to pay up to this amount over any other existing offer. But generally, the way the clause is stated, that's just going to bump over another offer coming in. And if you have the verbiage that requires proof of any competing offer, generally you can protect yourself and only pay above that instead of the seller maxing you out. And so there's tools and tricks for you to be more competitive in a competitive market. Guys, you got to trust your real estate professionals on this. And if you haven't heard of this, maybe this is something you can ask questions about or utilize yourself on your next deal that you're looking for, because this is definitely, once you've had the situation happen where you've seen the right property and you want to go for it, you know, sometimes that difference between $3,000-$4,000 in a loan over 30 years, it's worth kind of navigating some of those things so you can get into the house you want in a competitive market like this that's appreciating at a very stable rate. So you guys, the market minute, a little bit about escalation clauses, a little bit about how the March market is picking up, and we're seeing some of those multiple offers come back from someone that's in the market every day.